it's worth it. Hello, my name is Elijah. What we're going to be making today is an alcohol stove. It's made out of 2 pop cans and cotton balls. So this is the stuff we're going to be using. We're going to be using cotton balls, alcohol, 2 cans. Make sure they're 2 pop cans or anything you want. We need 2 markers, dark markers, because to make a mark that you can see very good on a can. A sharp nail, dual scissors, so that you don't have to always use kitchen scissors. And then a nice hammer. And then here's our anything like a large object, because you'll be using it to do this. And then it makes the mark for these things. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make the mark. So what I'm going to do, I'll just use the Sharpie marker, and you put it on the object and take it and put it on. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just have to go around and meet it to the other side. After that's done, you put it aside. Make sure you don't get mixed up on the same one, you do the same thing. And then it's done. It doesn't have to look the best because you can paint it over whatever you want. But it's just going to be out in the woods, so who cares? Now, so it's done. Now, if we just cut it would be weak, so we can put it in the nails. So what I would do if I were you, I would take a Sharpie marker and just put one hole in the middle, not a hole, but like a mark, and then one here, one on the other side, one here, one here, one there, one there, one there, and where you want it. And then what else you're going to need is put one on the outer edge, another one on the other side. It's sort of like a cross, but then do 2 in each hole. That's what I would do, but you can do anything you want. You just can't go down here because that's where all the liquid could be. So after I'm done with that, you can just take your nail and puncture where you drew dots. I'll see you in a little bit. So don't make the mistake of putting it on both sides, because the nail, one of the sides is supposed to hold the liquid and the other side is supposed to let out flames. So don't make the mistake. I accidentally put the marks on the other side, but it's really just put it in one that you've already made the mark in. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our nail. I'm not going to do it on the table, but I'm going to take our nail and puncture where those holes are and try not to make the mistake of this. But you know, there's cans all over the world. Who cares? But I'll see you in a little bit after I do that. So you're going to use the scissors, the dull scissors. And I do this. I just poke it in like this and bend it. See? Can you see? It's like bend it and then you cut it. And because then you try to cut it as straight on the line as you can. You can actually use gloves if you don't want to get cut, but I don't. Yeah, I'm just not going to do it right now. So this right here is what I'm going to use, not the top part. This is junk. You can recycle it. And then you can, if you want, you can just take off all the extra pieces. Flatten it, whatever. Done with one part. Now, next, the same thing, and I'll get back with you. So what you're going to do now is the cotton balls. So just grab a small handful, that's a lot, but I can put some back in. What you're going to do next is you're going to shove in this just a bit so this will fit on. Make sure, because this can crouch back and forth. Then you're going to fill it with cotton balls. Don't cut yourself on it. That would not be a pretty sight. And once you have it pretty much like, of course, fill in the gaps. But then after you have it that much, you take it and put this on. Then what you want to do is you want to keep on pushing. You don't want to break it, but you just want to push it all the way down. See that? I just broke it on accident. But you got to keep on pushing until it's pretty tight. And there you have it. The alcohol stove. Of course, you have to add alcohol. I might be able to give you a 10-second clip or so about how to do that in a little bit. But here's your stove. Already 2 stoves. And they're pretty good. You can like maybe put a billy can. I don't have a billy can here, but I have a can. And like you can, it fits perfectly. The flames can come out there. It's pretty good. And they're not liquid. You don't put the liquid until you get to this site, of course. So you can just like put it in your backpack, and they're small. They might even fit into a can. And then like there, you have a pretty good little set there. So it's a pretty easy, pretty fun little thing. If people like miniature stuff, here it is. But there's the alcohol stove. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take alcohol and pour it in. I'm not gonna pour it in now, but then after you pour it in as much as you want, you let it sit there for 10 minutes, and then you put like a little flame, like a candle or something under it for a while, and it will help. But then there's the stove. It's pretty cool because it's little and it's good. You can carry it anywhere you want. Well, there it is. So make sure you make it short and heat it on a stove or hot coals. Let's try it out. It's spreading like wildfire. Went on the outsides too, but whatever. You can put it in there and grab out another match. So while that's burning, you can while that's sitting there and helping you go around, try to put it in together. What I just do is leave it there for a while, and it starts burning like crazy. If you blow it one way, it might help. I don't know. It's just maybe wind. I don't know. And then you can take out all the other things. Now you can see well, let me get out this first. Or no. Our dog's so funny. Well, it's burning from all the insides. Everything. It's pretty good. Our dog's funny. Whenever he gets burnt or something, he's so funny. Yeah, Bodie, you dig. Well, yeah. Now you can see it works very good and it's very worth it. Now where's the hot chocolate? Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.